there was nothing really left of what would be considered a vehicle. It was all on top of me. And I could hear my daughters screaming. And he told me they were okay. But I knew I wasn't. I was in the hospital. I was in ICU for 10 days, in the hospital for about a month. And then it took me a year to learn to walk again without a device. My femur basically exploded from the floorboard coming up. So it exploded, broke into 3 pieces, but it was basically powder. And so they couldn't really put it back together. So I have a rod in there that can't ever be removed. My hip was broken in 2 places, my pelvis in 3, all of my ribs, my sternum, my hand, my right eye, I'm legally blind in. My cornea was cut in half. I have 3rd-degree burns all over my body, under my makeup, from the engine fluids. If we had that extra second, we would have been given back the 6 years that were spent recovering and full of pain, emotionally and physically. I would have gotten those years with my children where they were being my caregiver. I could have taken care of them. I missed out on years where they were developing and growing and needing me, and I wasn't there. And I could get those back, and that's priceless.